In a year of can'ts, colleges and college-bound seniors are figuring out how they can. And with more online applications, more technology, and more creativity, colleges are finding their place in a pandemic world. You're watching the Local News Network, brought to you by Craigers Ace Hardware and Fast Signs of Durango. I'm Wendy Graham-Settle. Over the years, the college admissions process has consisted of an application, maybe a college visit and interview, and a decision. That much hasn't changed since last March, even though colleges now have to accommodate social distancing and other safety measures during the pandemic. After all, many prospective students can't visit campuses. Many have also been unable to take standard college entrance exams, and remote learning has disrupted their lives.
So at Fort Lewis, our application for admission typically opens in early September. We see the bulk of our applicants come in from September through about January in a typical year. And an application for a traditional first-year student would include a high school transcript showing their work completed through their junior year, standardized test scores as required by the state of Colorado, either ACT or SAT scores, and then the application form itself.
Colleges have found creative and different ways to show off their campuses without in-person visits. And at smaller schools like Fort Lewis, they've kept the tours operational with some modifications.
We are really fortunate that we get to do in-person options, both based on our location and using the best, San Juan Basin Public Health, COVID guidelines in the state. We felt we could do our visits. We're a small enough school that we could give these students and families a personalized visit. So instead of 35 people sitting in a presentation and then going on a tour around campus, now students and families come to our office and it's a one-on-one meeting, or like a one-on family meeting, where the family comes in, they sit on one end of a conference table. We have our admission counselor on the other end. There, of course, is a health screening when they arrive. They wash their hands. Everyone has masks and they're keeping distance. But we're still able to do that, to kind of give that personalized experience. And what we have found is that both our staff and the students and families actually really enjoy that experience. It's much more individualized.
Many colleges now offer online admission applications and have added virtual tours.
And it's now an expectation that every college is going to have virtual visit options. I think, like I said, we're constantly refining. So what we're offering today might not be what we're offering a year and a half from now.
If you'd like to learn more about changes to college admissions, contact your high school counselor or college admissions advisor. Thanks for watching this edition of the Local News. I'm Wendy Graham-Settle.